Clock keeps ticking in Joseph's room. Dust on the shelves, sunlight slips through. I sit in the silence where laughter once grew, tracing the lines of the shoe left askew. I catch my breath in the hallway still. Clothes hang quiet, undisturbed, chill. There's a note on the desk with half-written words. I run like my thumb by the ink. Every letter still hurts, and the world keeps spinning outside these four walls. But my heart is here where your shadow falls. I whisper your name just to hear it again. Joseph Kilioni Rauku. Plates at the table I keep setting to. It's habit or hope, I don't really know who. I talk to the air, to memories that stay. Every morning begins with you missing each day. Some days I wander, some days I fold under the weight of the things I can't hold. But here in this room, your laughter remains a song in my chest, an old refrain. And the world keeps spinning outside these four walls, but my heart is here where your shadow falls. I whisper your name just to hear it again. Joseph Kilioni Rauku, my son. So I'll sit for a while in the quiet and gloom. Find silent rhymes, one comfort in Joseph's room.